everybody and welcome to my channel. So this week I did a little set of nails on my friend. She's going to Radio 1's big weekend, which I believe is this weekend. So these are the festival nails that we did for her, and the colours that we used, there were just some powders that I had, some different coloured powders. She wanted pinks and like rainbow colours and stuff like that. So I'd already prepped the nails and placed on the tips just to make this video not so long as what it can be sometimes. So we start off with the pink at the top of the nail or around the cuticle area, and I just blend these colours down, just apply one at a time and just blend them down the nail just to make a rainbow effect or a little bit of a tie-dye effect. I'd applied some primer to her nails, like I said, prepped her nails, pushed back the cuticles, things like that. The tips that I were using were from Pro Impressions. So the pink and the purple here, I am aware you cannot actually tell the difference between them. The pink went on first and then the purple went on afterwards. So I think it's my camera, the lighting was all wrong. And then we went in with a blue, with all these colours all had a little bit of glitter in them. So yeah, just faded them all down, went with the blue here, and then I went with like a bluey green, then an orange and a silver at the very tip. So I just do this on all the nails. I actually forgot to film the little finger, I do apologise for that. However, I made it up with filming the rest of them. The acrylic liquid and powder that I'm using today is from Miss You Beauty, just to let you know. And like I said, the tips are from Pro Impressions. So then I went in and applied a layer of clear acrylic liquid and powder to encapsulate those nails so that when I file them, I don't file off any of the colours or the glitters. And then I just file around the cuticles with my cuticle bit just to make sure that the acrylic is nice and flush with the natural nail to ensure that there's no lifting. And then I just apply some UV gel top coat, which I cure in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some cuticle oil. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this little video today, guys, my little tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a big thumbs up as usual, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys, bye.